there. Anyway, so I'm just going to open the group meeting quiz.
Okay.
Okay. The first one's yourself.
Do you have it all on the same screen, or do you have like two different screens going?
I have a desktop, but my desktop doesn't have a webcam, so I put my laptop up here.
Okay, I'm gonna do that next time because I'm gonna be going back and forth. I guess I don't have to look at you or see you, but if we're gonna be on the page. Okay.
Okay, the only thing that I don't really understand is like when it talks about the mean and median and everything, does she want us to only be using Excel, or can we just do it? However,
I think down the road we're gonna have to, but maybe with this simpler stuff.
Okay.
So your
So,
group meeting quiz. Okay.
did you do the individual preparation?
I did quite a bit of it, but that's where I'm stuck. So I've only got, I'm like still on the little sea lion deals in the lesson. And that's kind of where I'm at. And I didn't want to go any further until I really got it down. Like standard deviation, I started getting into that mess. And anyways, I need to put some more time in for sure.
Yeah. And I understand the concept of it, but I still don't really know how to do it. Like, I understand what it is. Okay. And then okay, never mind. I'll just focus on the quiz.
Okay. So should we start it then? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, there are 16 questions.
Wow.
So it'll take me a second.
So I'm going to say true there. And that we are meeting. There's two of them.
At least got two right.
I don't get it, so that's not one of them. So, okay.
Okay, I'll read the story for the next two questions.
Okay.
It says, on rare occasions, a medical procedure is performed on the wrong body part of a patient's body or on the wrong patient. These are called wrong site mistakes. Such errors occur hundreds of times each year across the United States. The medical community is trying to eliminate these errors, but have had difficulty reducing their frequency. In a small percentage of cases, a patient files a lawsuit against the hospital. Philip Stahl et al. Conducted a study on these mistakes in the lawsuits that follow. The data in the file located there represent the amount in U.S. dollars hospitals have been required to pay in wrong site and wrong patient lawsuits. Some of the values equal 0, indicating that the hospital won the legal battle. Okay, so number 3 says find the mean amount hospitals had to pay in wrong site lawsuits. So I'm gonna open it.
In wrong site lawsuits. Okay.
Are you really good with Excel?
I am once I know how to do it, but not this statistic stuff.
Yeah.
Budgeting, yes.
Yeah. That I've got. Hold on, do you already know the shortcut of how to get the mean and median and all that?
That's what I was just looking for. So just add it all up and.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask my husband really quick because he's an Excel expert. Hey, Credit. Can you do this? How do you find I just need the mean for the wrong sites, but I don't know how to do the shortcut thing. Look, obviously I don't want to enter all of those in and then.
Oh.
Okay.
Select.
Uh-huh.
Then we have the.
Oh.
You can do it. Okay.
Oops.
Go to else.
You just told me to do that. Okay, I'll just do it. I'll just do it down here. Okay. So how you do it is you just wait. Do you already know how to do it?
I don't. Are you going down all the way to? Oh, jeez.
Yeah, if you just click on A at the very top, it highlights the whole column.
Right.
And then look at the bottom, and it says count 412, sum, blah, blah, and average. The average is just right there. Do you see it?
Yes. So do average.
Yeah,
Okay.
so what did it say to round to? The nearest whole dollar.
If it's a dollar amount. Oh, is that what it says?
Yeah, so I thought it would be 80,041. Is that what you have?
Yes.
Don't lie to me.
It is. And 24 cents, but you said to the nearest dollar, right? Near whole dollar. Okay, so you're good.
Yeah.
And then is median one of those options as well?
Let me see. Wait, so it's 80041, right? Okay. Sum count. Okay, and then up, like right above it, there's a little FX thing. I don't know how to find that. Did I just miss this? Tell us how to do this? Am I just not understanding something? Let me see real quick. Okay, hold on just one second. Did you already do it?
I didn't.
Okay, good.
I'm kind of just looking through the searches for median.
3, 2. I'm sorry, I don't feel like this should be this hard for me, but I don't know how to get it. Yeah, I don't know how to get the median now. That's math and trig. Statistical. Haha. Where do you live, Jamie?
I'm in Phoenix.
Oh, cool. Is it still hot there?
It's cooling down now. We're getting into October, so we'll be okay.
Wait, Jared, how'd you do that? He just found it. How did you do that? That's it? I thought you had to put from where to where.
No, you got this column.
Oh.
Alright, if you want to click where you want
Cool. Okay, this is how he did it. With the little formula, he did.
Yep.
Okay. I'll send you to.
The school has a little cheat sheet, but I can't figure it out. I'm going to play with it a little bit later.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all he did.
So just bracket all those numbers and then put that in there?
No, he just clicked on a random cell and put that in, and then pushed enter, and it'll give you the median. So you do it now. I'm going to see if this is mine.
Oh, by the way, that thing costs $3.
All right. So what did you get?
I got 6,852.
I got 68785.
There's another way to do it too. You can also do the whole like say the cells you want in the formula. So A2 colon A412 is that way too.
Well, we got different numbers.
Yeah, I don't know how to see what's wrong.
Six, 8, 7, 8, 5. Okay.
Did
Oh,
you
we
get
can do it
again?
twice, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
Man, there's a lot of questions. Okay.
Yeah, there. And then so I found the standard deviation places in Excel. There are 4 different kinds that it wants. That it has.
Right.
It's what? It's the one with what?
Standard deviation or population.
But this one's population too.
Yeah, that's the one.
This one? And then
Select this.
just like this?
Is it that?
Yeah. Okay.
But it's also there for
Nice. It wasn't. Okay. I got the standard deviation too.
Okay. Well, show me how you want to send me another text. Did you DST DEV? Okay.
So how I did this one was I highlighted A, and then do you see right next to the text box where you enter the formulas and stuff, there's a little FX is the function.
Yep.
So I clicked on that and went to the statistical category. Do you see what I'm talking about?
Let's see. Get rid of all this stuff here. Okay, so you clicked on A, highlighted that, clicked on FX. Okay.
Yep.
And then what?
And then it says select a category. And so I selected statistical.
I don't see that at all.
It says, here, I can just show you. I have 2 computers. Do you see that little box that popped up? The latest.
Let me see estimated deviation. Yes.
Can you see this?
I can.
Okay, so I went down here.
Yes, in the latest version, it was replaced by the one with the S. Both are the same.
Okay. This one is entire population. This one is sample.
Mhm.
So, do you have this little pop-up box? You click the effects.
Yeah, I can only see half yours, so I only see the okay.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, there you go. So you clicked A and then FX and then that pops up?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Formula builder? I guess yours might be a little different, but I'm on a Mac, so it's probably different.
Oh, yeah. Probably. So mine says search for a function, and then it says or select a category.
Okay.
And then in that category spot, I did statistical. Do you have anything that has similar wording?
I see standard deviation, but nothing statistical.
Oh, well, if you see standard deviation,
Mhm.
then just do that. And see what you get. I did the one that says standard deviation P.
P?
Yeah, because it's off the population.
Okay. And then what happens when you put it? Does it want you to enter?
Yep. Then you put it and push OK, and then it'll have another pop-up box that says OK where, and then I just click on A again. It does A:A.
You also have field and criteria as well?
No.
Okay.
What the heck?
Trying to see yours. Here, let me show you mine.
Mm-hmm. And then what happens when you push enter when you do A:A?
Not enough arguments. So it wants me to fill out these other two, like field and I'll have to play around with it still.
Oh, dang it.
Does yours spit out a number though?
Yeah, that makes me feel like I did it wrong though. What if I picked the wrong one? Or something. The number I got was 71316.91.
Yeah, I can't even get to that. So I'm wondering if the rest of these questions are just going to get harder doing the same thing with these Excel stuff.
Oh.
Probably. If there's 16 questions, like, could I text you like what I got after I work on this for a while?
Yeah.
Or if we take it again, something like that, just kind of see what happens.
If you
Because I
would
got to get
like.
more into it.
Yeah.
So tell me, like going forward, what would work best for you as far as meeting goes?
Evenings are best with me. I figured out. I just had a baby last week, so it was hard.
Congratulations.
Thank you. My first one.
Baby girl.
Uh-huh.
Seeing the pink hat in the background there, or whatever that is.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Well, congrats. That's awesome.
Thank you. I figured out that's when she's sleeping the most.
Okay.
The best. But we can, let's see, that's question 5.
What days? In reading your stuff, you were saying like Monday was out.
Yeah, I prefer not. I could make Monday work, but I prefer not to just because it's family night. I try to
Okay.
do that. That's
Okay.
the only thing.
What if we tried?
The
I'd
standard
be somewhere.
deviation I got, just before I forget, it would be 71317 would be what I would put. 71317.
Okay.
So I want to see if
I
you
hope I
get
get
that.
the same. Okay.
I don't mind, like, obviously I don't know what I'm doing either. And so for this first one, I don't mind, you know, it taking a while and we can just go through the questions together.
Okay.
Or if you'd rather stop, then that's fine too. But
Let's see what this next one says.
okay, do you want to read that one?
Hepatic angiosarcoma is a rare and usually fatal type of liver cancer. A study was conducted on 4 individuals with this illness. The data represent their survival times in months. So that one's easy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just do those. So 5.6.
Dang it. How do you do the mean? Do you just add them all up and then divide by 4?
Yeah.
Okay, then I got 7.
Uh-oh.
See.
Let me do it
5
again.
plus 19 plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. Yeah, I got 7.
Okay. You're right. I was doing divided by 5.
Oh,
Okay, that's easy.
okay, and then how do you get the median? It's 4 numbers.
So medium, line them up so it'd be add in 5 and 3. 3 would be 4. So add the middle 2 numbers, since there's an even number of numbers.
Mm-hmm.
Add the middle 2 and then divide by 2.
Okay. Okay.
So is that 5 plus 3 divided by 2?
Yeah, so that's 4.
Okay. Okay. That's easy.
Yeah, so 5's okay. If you were to compute the variance by hand, the following table could be used. Use this table to answer the next 3 questions. Give the number that would be entered into the space labeled A in the table above. Okay. So
Be 19 minus 7. No, I don't know.
the x with the line over is standard deviation, right?
So just saying what the number minus the mean, which the mean was 7.
Is that deviations from the, yeah, I guess. No, the x with the line over is standard deviation, right? Um, yeah, I think it is. So, if I remember right, you find the standard deviation, you have to find the mean, and then for each number, subtract the mean, and then square the result, and that's the standard deviation.
Okay.
So, really stupid if I'm just like, I feel like sometimes I make it really more complicated than it is.
So are you
But-
saying 19 minus 7 is 12, and then you square 12?
So, yes, that is what I'm saying, but I don't know if that's right.
So are you putting 144?
No, that would be column 3. Right?
Square deviations, right.
So then maybe column 2 is just 12.
Okay.
Just spitballing here, but that's what I would do.
Okay, so then for B, it would be 1 minus 7 squared for B.
I think so. See, this is. What'd you say? No. Thanks. I'm not ready for that yet.
Esta es la media de la población.
Oh, that's the mean? I thought it was the mean. I thought it was standard.
Esta es la media de la población. Después tienes que sacar la diferencia de cada uno de los valores de cada uno de los números de la población y restarlos. ¿No? Y después dividirlos al cuadrado y sumarlos todos.
Mm-hmm.
Y después dividirlos entre números de números, la cantidad de números, y sacar la raíz cuadrada.
Thanks. Do you speak Spanish?
I don't.
Bummer.
I know a few cuss words, that's about it. And people call me Jaime.
Jaime. Okay. What? Can you say what you said about B one more time? That one. How you said to do that. So Jamie, for B, did you say that it was 1 minus 7 squared?
So it'd be, yeah, let me catch up with you here. Just kind of going back in the text, it'd be 1 minus 7, and then, which is -6 squared.
Mm-hmm. Which would be 36.
So it'd be 36.
Yeah.
That's right. More. So,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's right. I'm glad we're on the same page so that we can figure it out and I don't feel stupid. I've never taken a statistics class before. So.
If you look at the little drop downs on the, I guess the textbook or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Step 4. That's kind of what they're doing. So just find the mean, get the number, subtract it from that, and then square it. So I think that's right.
Mm-hmm.
I hope.
We're in lesson 3, right?
Yeah. So if you go to step 3, it shows you how to do the mean, which is just minus that. And the next one down, answer the following questions.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what question are you on?
And well, if we decide 36, that was 9, so 10.
Okay.
So what is the standard deviation of the survival times?
I'm just gonna try to really quick, and then I'll tell you when I'm done.
lost. Is 10 where we would put 36?
No, 10 is the. Here, I'll show you. Let me see if I know how to do it, and then I'll be able to tell you how to do it.
Okay.
Just a second. My husband's teaching me how to do it, so that's why I'm quiet.
-1.
Oh,
Because it's el proceso de suavización.
so is it like this?
Yeah, well, you don't.
You don't need that. See? So it'd be 200 divided by 3 then? What? I don't want to send square root, isn't it? There's no how.
Yes, mine. Yeah, well, yes.
What?
It's a match. So it's 200, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And then square root.
I don't like your calculator. Thanks. Okay. 8.2.
For which one?
For number 10. That's what I got.
Okay. Do you remember how we got there? Or?
Yes. There's a formula for a standard deviation. It was in the reading, I think.
Okay.
Because I remember seeing it. Okay. Let me show you now.
So for 6, the mean we decided was 7.
Mm-hmm.
4. And then if you use that number for the variance table, you're going 19 minus 7 to get column 2A.
Can you say that one more time?
For column 2 and the A, you're putting 19 minus the mean of 7.
Yes.
So question number 8 is
12.
12.
Yeah.
And then if we were to go to that column 3, that one would be 144, right?
Right.
Okay. So on 9, it's got 1 minus 7. So to the left where B would be negative 6.
Yep.
And then that is squared for
36.
36.
Mm-hmm.
And then where are you going from there?
Yeah. So then, he just took the formula. So basically what you... Jerry, can I have that back, please?
It's right.
Okay. I'm going to send you a picture of this, actually. I'll just text it to you.
Okay.
And then maybe you'll remember if you saw it before. Okay, tell me when you get it. This is the formula for standard deviation.
Okay.
Okay. So the x's in the parentheses on top are basically just column 2. That's the number minus the mean. And so you do that and then square it for every number. And so in that column, you would have 4, 144, 36, and 16. So in the parentheses is column 2. With the squared is column 3. Does that make sense?
Right.
With me so far?
Yep.
So you do that for all the numbers, and then the symbol on the left means add them all. And so we have 4, 144, 36, and 16. You add all of those, you get 200. And then you divide it by 3. N is the numbers it is, I mean the amount of numbers, but it's n minus 1. So there are 4 numbers, but we divide it by 3.
Okay.
And then square root that, the whole thing at the end.
All right. And that's spitting out 8.2?
Yep, because it says round to the 10th. So the only part I had a problem with, just because I didn't know how to use the calculator, was finding the square root of it. But see if you can do the formula up to then so it makes sense.
Okay. But you got to have all these columns filled out in order to do it, right?
Right, if you want to do it that way. Or if you just want to use this formula, you can do it that way.
Okay. All right, so I'm getting stuck. So you're doing 36 divided by 3? Because that's what that first number is. Oh, I didn't add them. I'm sorry.
Yeah, Adam.
So 36 plus, I got you. Okay. Okay. All right, I'm set.
Cool. So did they all add together to get 200?
Divided by 3. Yes.
Cool. And then you divide by 3 and square root.
Okay. All right.
Good.
Number
This
11.
is, I don't know if this is annoying for you, but it's really helpful for me, just so you know.
What's that?
Working through it with you here.
Okay. Yeah, it's going to be.
Okay, 11. For the next 3 questions, give the 5-number summary for the wrong patient and receive costs. What is the first number in the 5-number summary? Give a number rounded to the nearest cent. Okay, so I understand what the 5-number summary is, but I don't necessarily know how to find it. So it's just percentages. So the first number is, what was I going to say? I guess the first number is just the minimum, right?
I don't know. Is this where it was talking about percentiles and quartiles?
Yeah. The quartile, okay, yeah, you're right. The quartiles was 25th, 50th, and 75th. And then the 5-number summary is minimum, those 3 again, and then the maximum. So the first number would just be the minimum. But why would it say round? In the wrong patient.
So the minimum being 250,000? No.
Mm.
No.
I can't find it. Wouldn't maybe I'm missing something. I'm gonna look at the text again. Since some of the wrong patient things say 0, wouldn't the minimum be 0?
Say that again.
Some of the data entries on wrong patients say 0. So wouldn't the minimum be 0?
No, it was saying earlier that those are the ones that they didn't lose the lawsuit.
Oh,
Those are the ones that the hospital won.
yeah, you're right. So my problem is that when I'm using Excel, of course it'll say that 0 is the minimum. So I'm trying to figure out how to say anything, do everything except 0. That's what I'm trying to do.
Okay. So the first one's 0?
It would be 0 except you're right. 0 is the one that the hospitals won, and so that's not really the minimum.
What does it say? What does it say?
I'm just trying to find be.
It's either 0 or check. It said 0.
Oh, wait, here.
So I was going back.
Let me just open it so I can be sure I'm watching something. Maybe the minimum is 0 because the numbers represent the amount of money in dollars that the hospital had to pay. And so
Right.
in one of the lawsuits, they have to pay 0.
Okay.
So
I put it all into the textbook has the Excel kind of the cheat sheet, quantitative descriptive statistics. And when you put all those, paste all those numbers in there, it does say that the minimum is 0. And it gives Q1, it gives Q3, it gives all of that stuff. If I'm entering it correctly.
well, cool.
Creo que me envié. All you can do is you can look the zeros and then work out now.
But I think the answer might be 0. But when it says round to the nearest cent, do you think it wants us to write 0.00? Probably, right?
Probably, yeah.
Okay. And so how do you find the 25th percentile? Did you already do that?
So you aren't working on 12 now?
I'm trying. Were you already on 12?
Well, I just put 0 for that first number.
Yeah, me too.
I still don't know what it's asking for second number. The next one's fourth number.
Oh, so it goes in the 5-number summary. It goes minimum, 25th percentile, 50th percentile, 75th percentile, and then maximum. So those are the 5 numbers it's talking about. So the second number would be the 25th percentile.
Oh, okay.
Rounded to the nearest cent. Let me see if I can do this in Excel.
Do you get 3,900?
Hold on. Yes, I did.
Nice. And then you said 25th, 50th, 75th?
Uh-huh. So this will be 75th. For that one, I got 50,436.5.
I got 51,450.
Okay. How did you find it?
I'm using this Excel spreadsheet, and it says 75 percentile.
Does it have a decimal?
50.
Okay.
5014550.
That's pretty close to mine. Mine's 50436.50. I don't know.
50346.
50436.
Are you using Excel?
Yeah. Not the same one you're doing. I just used the function that Excel has for finding.
Oh, I see.
So
Okay.
yours is probably right if you're using one for the class.
Well, we'll go back and look at it if it's wrong. Yeah, I want to learn how to do it though. I'm gonna go back and read this because I mean it's like a cheat sheet. It just says copy paste all this stuff, and it just spits out the number, but it's not really teaching me anything. So you're doing it on your own in your own Excel spreadsheet?
Yeah, but it's not like I'm figuring it out at all. It's just Excel has the function, and I said find the 75th percentile in these numbers, and so like I don't know how to do it, so I just did it.
All right, well, let's see what happens. Do you want to go to the next one? 14?
Sure. So are you gonna put the number that you got, and then I'll put the number that I got, or?
Yeah, sure. See which one.
Okay, and then whoever submits first, we'll see if that one is wrong.
Okay.
Okay. Only 3 more. Redbox is an increasingly popular way to rent movies in the U.S. Individuals can go to a Redbox kiosk and have a wide variety of movies to choose from. A study was done in which researchers observed the duration of time in seconds individuals spent making a decision on which movie to rent at a Redbox. Answer these questions based on the following box plot. What is the third quartile of the Redbox decision times? Okay. So the third, I don't know, 198. That's what I would
So you're just doing 0 to 800?
Oh no, for the third, it says, what's the third quartile? So the third line, just under 200, I just put 198 because
Oh, I see.
it says estimate. Because I know that third line was the third quartile, but I don't know how to estimate, I guess. Maybe I'll do 190.
Okay.
And what is the longest observed time of the Redbox customer in this study?
So 7:10.
Yeah. I'm cool with that. What is the value of the mean? So I know that the middle line is the median.
So 400. No.
So the median is like 102 or something. But does one of it represent what the mean is on the box plot? Or can we not determine the mean?
Yeah, I just don't see how they're figuring it out. Is that like the 110 where the middle line is, or 105? That's one of the answers.
I don't think we can determine the mean from just looking at a box plot. Because it only gives the minimum and maximum and the quartiles. It doesn't give us data, you know? If that makes sense. So we have like the minimum and maximum, but then even if we tried to find the mean with those, it would just be 2. But we know there are more points of data than that. We just don't know what they are.
So we don't have enough? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, I don't think we have enough information.
Okay. Let's try that.
Okay. I'll submit mine first right now. We can submit it twice, right? Let me check just to make sure. Yeah, you can submit it twice. Okay, so let me submit mine really quickly and I'll tell you how many I got wrong. Okay, I only got 1 wrong.
Really? That's awesome. Which does it tell you? Like which one?
Yeah. Hold on. I just can't find it. I see that I got 17 and 18, but oh, here it is, number 5. What do you have for number
5? 71317.
Okay, that's what I put. That's wrong.
So that is wrong. I think you got 2 others different than me too. I'm gonna press mine just to see what happens, but
No, don't.
Don't do that.
No, because we can. I'll give you all the answers that I have, and then we'll figure out number 5, and then you can submit it and see if you get 100%.
Okay.
And if you don't, then you'll still have 1 more try. Okay, so number 3, I'm going to write them all down again too so I can put it in again. I mean, I guess you can just have it on your computer.
So 80,041.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then 68552.
So you must have got that one right. I put 68785, so I'm going to change that. 68552.
Yep.
Okay.
And then,
my 5 was wrong. What's 5?
71317. But just so we know.
Oh, that's right. We both got it wrong. Okay.
Yeah. And then number 6 is 7. Number 7 is 4. 8 is 12.
Okay.
9 is 36. 10 is 8.2. 11 is 0. 12 is 3,900. 13 is 50,436.5.
Okay, I was different there. 5036. Wait, go ahead one more time. Go ahead.
Yep, 50436.50.
Okay.
And 14 is 190. 15 is 710. And 16 is not enough info. Cannot be determined.
Okay. So we got 5 wrong.
Right. So let's go look at that again. But even still, that's a 95 in the quiz, not too bad. I'm just gonna, it'll take me, can you look at number 5 and try to see what we did wrong? And I'm just gonna fill in the numbers, the ones that we got right.
So when you entered into that other the Excel sheet from the school, it comes out 71403.8275.
71403.
71403.8275. Which is different one I had, or we had.
Yeah.
It'll be 404 rounding to the nearest whole dollar.
Okay. Let's see number 5.
Want me to try that and see if I get 100?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
And if you don't, we start.
So that means 5 would still be wrong. %. That's it. Cool.
Nice. So
So
it's
71404.
71404.
Yeah. Is number 5.
Okay. Yay.
Cool. Thank you so much for your help.
Yeah, no
So I'm
problem.
gonna go back and figure out how to do it on my own, but that cheat sheet is definitely a piece of cake. But
Yeah. Okay, cool. I'm really glad that we did this successfully.
hey, so going forward, what do you want to do time wise?
Let's plan on what days are best for you, first of all.
The
When
only
is
hiccup
this
I
due?
have is
It's due
Thursday at 6.
okay. It's due Tuesdays and Thursdays?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then some extra homework after that on those days. So do you want to do like, if we're consistent, like Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30?
Sure. Well, if we're gonna do it that early, I could do Mondays. I just couldn't do like 8 o'clock on Monday kind of thing.
Oh, okay.
So I could do like Monday at 5 or 5:30.
Monday and Wednesday? Okay.
That might be nice.
5:30. Okay.
Okay. Let's
All right. So
plan with
then
that.
we'll hook up on Monday. I'll figure out how to send the link to you, I guess, this time.
Okay. Yeah.
Hangouts, okay?
All right.
All right, Betsy, thank you very much. Now,
Thanks,
do you
Becky.
submit whatever this Hangout thing is to them?
Yeah. I'll post the. Thanks for reminding me to do that. I'll post the link to it.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah. You're welcome. See ya.
Good night.
Bye.